How to use the RSI strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Relative Strength Index strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum indicator that helps you determine how much and how fast the price of an asset is changing. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is ideal for identifying entry and exit points in short-term trades. How to set up the RSI for short-term trades? Go to Indicators and select RSI. For short-term trades, consider reducing the standard period from 14 to 510 to make the indicator more sensitive to market movements. Watch for RSI values above 70, overbought, and below 30, oversold. These moments can offer good points to open trades. For example, if the indicator exceeds 70 from bottom to top, it's a signal to open an up trade. And if the indicator shows a value below 30 from top to bottom, it's a signal to open a down trade. Combine the RSI with chart analysis to refine signals. RSI can significantly improve your ability to make quick decisions based on market momentum data. Experiment with settings and find what works best for you. Happy trading on Pocket Option.